Oh, we're on. Sorry. Yeah, sorry about that. Excuse me. Hi, how's it going? Happy Canada Day. Here it is, July 1st, and we are on the historic grounds of Fort Malden. And you know, bouncy castles were really popular 200 years ago, so this is great. It's a great thing. We're just having a wonderful time. We finished off our stint at Windsor Summerfest with the Canada Day Parade, wending its way through Walkerville and Wyandotte Town Center, BIAs, and fabulous crowd. Could it have been any hotter? I don't know, but that's okay. That's what, you know, the wide-brimmed hats keep the sun off of my delicate features. But here we are, right here on the shores of Lake Erie, and we're having a wonderful time. Claire All the Clown, my favorite clown in all of Canada, is performing. All kinds of stuff going on.
Hey guys, is the air up there a little cooler?
It's just a little bit.
Just a little bit
Just
cooler.
a touch. You know, heat rises, right?
Maybe I see this guy.
Thanks,
It's
yeah.
Mr. Rice.
Yeah. So we're having a great time. You know, we're going to be doing all kinds of festivals the rest of this summer, all over southern Ontario, but you know what? This is our favorite spot. This is God's country right here. We're loving it. Hey guys, wave to the camera. Happy Canada Day. That's what it's all about, right there.